All right, super quick here. So obviously, it wouldn't make a video for a Raceway, but I kind of racked my brain a little bit, and I did come up with a new method to give it a try for the switch. So I know that, you know, standing at the brake with a birdhouses are great, but I know they're fiddly. There's a lot of 1-2-2 bending and all that. So, you know, I personally wouldn't want to be doing that all the time, and I'm always trying to look for ways to make it easier for my fab homies, keep fab department going, make it easier, better, faster, stronger. We have the technology. So this is what I came up with. So I just want to point out how it works, and then you guys can let me know, you know, let Cameron say, let me know if it works. So what you're going to do is you got your end cap like normal. And I actually went down the road of a birdhouse, but I'm kind of like, no, can't do it again, man. I just can't do it. So you got your end cap like normal. But what I have here is the green guy here. Obviously the colors, you know, in real life, metal's metal, so it's not going to be, but the skinnier one here is doing the work of the normal blue part in the inner part of the birdhouse that creates the pocket. So you got the pocket, and then you got the larger piece, which is the purple, which is usually the cover that we take off. So what we're doing is eliminating the red part, the overall outer part, and then we don't need a lid. So that gets rid of that. So you're going to take the skinnier of all of it. You're going to slide that into the purple one here. And then they both face, you know, flanges. And you're going to slide that into the normal end cap. The only difference is, and again, you're not going to see the colors in real life because the holes are just holes. But these orange ones here are your preliminary assembly. So take these guys and take orange to orange. So slide this guy into here, slide this guy into here, slide this guy into this guy, and then go ahead and wake up the long rivets because you're going to do triple duty on this one. So wake them up, and then bam. So now you have this like cartridge where you got the end cap with these guys inside. Then you can just slide it in and do your normal assembly. Keep the long rivets around because you're going to go ahead and rivet the whole thing together, the main structure like we do through everything. So, and then, but the one trade-off, there's always a trade-off, is that instead of doing all the fiddly bending and a lot of work here, go ahead and wake up the caulk, and you're going to go ahead and make sure, since, you know, UL, no water can enter snap switch enclosure, we want to make sure we seal this up to the top, we seal it to the bottom, and then kind of like where this guy here meets the outer edge here, go ahead and caulk that up. And I would go ahead and just finger dab some caulk on the top rivets, and any of the rivets on the back side, go ahead and seal up the rivets that will allow water in. So anyway, so that's kind of the trade-off, is just a little more caulking. Anyway, so we'll have a big opening in the back that allows for the normal switch. Do the same thing as that, which is the same here, you know, nothing different there. It's just now we just have a door, so you don't have to do a lot of bending. And then we'll do that bushing that has the fingers, and then that lets wire in, and they can make their connections in here. So, and then just seal it up. So I think that'll be a good solution going forward. Might eliminate having to do so much bending. And so anyway, just let me know, look for your feedback if you like that, if it works, any adjustments need to be made. But that might be our Raceway switch situation going forward, as long as I remember to do it next time. So anyway, but if you have any questions, hit me up. Check the